machine.
All right, so we were gonna do Troika.
It was closed.
Troika was closed, so we're headed to the new claw machine arcade and see what we can get, if we can get something. Anna got her bucket.
Yep.
All right.
The fun part?
Oh, you can roll it.
Oh, it's like a shopping cart. Whoa.
Well, actually, did you know that you're going to want to get the tiny ones?
You're going to want to get what?
Because the tiny ones you can trade for the prizes, and then the big ones you can.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, which one do you want to do?
I only want to try.
Okay, so we're going to go for...
Which color?
I want blue.
All right. Let's see what we
Okay,
can
we're
get.
going to try for a blue. Here we go.
I really want the
It says, first tap lowers the claw, second tap grabs the plushie.
I really want the doggy, and I really want the puppy.
I don't know if that's over enough. I might have to get this like pink one.
I guess I don't know.
Is the pink one okay?
We can go over to that one.
I don't think it'll reach that far.
Oh, you can use one of those then.
I will try to get that one. I don't know if it'll work. Oh,
Oh,
we got two.
One for the other.
Yay!
That's perfect. Nice. Well, I wasn't expecting two.
We did it.
That's weird.
Good job.
That's awesome.
Okay, put them in.
Wait, they have a move.
This has been so fun so far.
Okay.
Here we go, we're starting.
I think the puppy might be a little bit easier to get.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Let's try it. Oh, we got the
Oh, we almost.
Okay, you want to do it again? I bet we can get at least the puppy.
Okay.
Got it.
Now let's get both this time.
I will try, but if I can at least get one, that would be great.
Good. Yeah.
Okay, let's try it.
Oh, but we
got
got
one.
one. Yay!
Woohoo! Got the puppy.
We got three now.
Oh my gosh. The
We
most
got-
claw machines we've ever won at any.
This is so fun, you guys.
That was like the best. This was the best. We got two.
I know, we got two.
That's right.
So now we're gonna go around this up corner here. Let's see what else we can do. Over here, there's fish,
Emojis.
emojis.
More fish. More of those. So it's a lot of the same ones over and over again.
But you can trade them in for other prizes.
Okay.
Okay.
Is there one specific one in there that you want?
I want this blue one.
Glow up. Okay.
I think I want like that one right there. That is
The
like
black
a
one?
fox. Yeah, it's this one right here.
Oh, okay. That one should be pretty easy.
Yeah. And then one of these two.
Okay, let's see if we can do it.
All right.
I really want the pink one.
Okay, we want a pink one of this.
Well, it can be a doggy or
A dog. Okay.
Let's see what we can. So this one was 13 credits.
I was on the doggy and you was the kitty when we were here.
All right, Marissa's gonna show us her skills again. Let's see.
Doggy.
Let's see. We want a dog.
Maybe a piano one?
I'm trying to see if that's gonna get. That might be better spot. All right, let's try it.
Oh, so good. Oh, we missed it.
One more time.
Yeah, I'll try again.
All right, try number 2.
Should we try for that same one? I might be able to get it this time. Well, the problem is it doesn't go over that way more. So let's go over here. And maybe let's try this one.
Was it the same time?
Yeah. Oh, it rotates. That's not the problem. But we got it. We got it.
We got it? Yay! We did it!
Oh, that's so cute.
That's so cute!
That's anyways fun.
So this one's 11 credits.
And I really want this one.
She wants
Alright.
that
I
one.
think I can get that one right there.
Yeah. Or the other one that has like that little bug. That's on
We're
the other
trying
side.
for this guy right there.
Or this one too.
Or one that looks like that. She wants one that looks like this. So we're gonna try for this middle one.
Okay.
See
That
what
one didn't
happens.
rotate as much.
Oh no!
You gotta get that one on the side that's standing. I also like that.
Okay. Problem is the way that it turns a little bit. Don't go until I tell you to. All right, let's try it. I'm scared. Yes.
All right,
Bye.
we got it!
All right. Getting good at this.
Hey, don't quit your day job. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
This is so
And
cool.
then you wanna
Okay.
get this one?
All right, so in this, she'd like the one that says glow up, so I think we're gonna try, you're gonna try for that middle one there? So here we go, we're going for glow up. All right,
Yep. 25 seconds.
All right, hit that button. I got it.
all right, as long as it, oh!
If you
All right, you hitting it?
To push that button. Let's see, let's see, let's see!
Got it.
Yay! Let's,
Alright.
she got it! All right, so you want the little
Little
ball?
ball or big ball? Okay, what color are you hoping for?
blue or purple.
All right, we're going for
This
blue.
time I'm gonna do it because it's a tiny one.
Blue or purple? Okay, here we
And
go.
also, I think I want to get that blue.
All right, let's see if we can get that one. All right, I'm gonna help you. I'm just gonna try and get this blue one right here. Go ahead. And this way. Oh, it won't go that way, so you gotta go this way and try and get this one over here. What do you think? Is that in the right spot? Ooh, oh, it slipped! Oh man. That's super fun.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go talk to them and see.
how this works because I believe there's a trading system.
Yeah, let's see like what this means. It sounds like you can trade some if we want to. But we don't have to. If we like what we got, then that's cool too.
And the exchange rate, they're going to tell us what the exchange rate is. So, okay, so we got 15 trade-in points, or she can keep all the things that she got. And so she's looking through the box, through the case here. She's taking a look to see if there's any trades she wants to make, or if she just likes the plushies that she got. On the wall, they have. Oh. Okay. This is cool.
What do you think?
So you get to decide. She's deciding that she thinks she's going to turn in one of the puppies because we got 2 of the same plushie. And so we get 3. Those are pretty much the same thing, honey. So that's that bottom row. So she's deciding if she's going to do that or if she's going to just keep that plushie. What you do? Me too. What is your thoughts, Marissa, on that arcade?
I think that's pretty cool because I was able to get plenty of prizes without much trouble. So for the money and a claw machine, like that was pretty good.
How much did you spend?
So we spent $25 and she got
All right, Anna, show us your
all
haul.
of these.
This we got 2. I put one away to get some other prizes.
She traded them out. Yep.
Okay.
I traded one of them.
Okay, and then she got this little one.
Yeah, it's a little panda bear.
It's kind of like a squishmallow type
Yeah.
feel to it.
Tongue sticking out.
Okay.
Then I got this little raccoon guy.
You got a little hat.
Wearing a sailor hat, I think.
Yeah,
That's so cool.
so
got this one.
Then I got this. It says blow up. There's a little space bubble.
Cute.
Not in one of the cars. There's a couple of them. Like 2 or 3 of the same one.
Yep.
All right.
This one also there's 2 or 3 of the same one.
Yeah, that one we
It's a
got the
puppy.
puppies.
What I thought it was a bunny for a second when we were getting it, but it's actually a puppy.
It's a
So
cute
cute.
puppy.
Okay, and then she traded in the mint glue one. She had 2 of them, so she traded in and got these instead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one was 2.
Yep, so the puppy was worth 3 like credits. So she got this for 2 credits.
And this for 1.
And that-
Because they didn't have any, they decided
That's the last
they like had ones that stand out, so then they knew. And to grab the bunny because they didn't have it.
Yeah,
That
they
was
didn't have any
nice.
wrapped up anymore. The only one they had left was the one that was on
The display, and that was nice of her to give it to you because that's the one you wanted. Awesome haul. So
And anyways, there was
we got
so that
quite a
made
bit.
more sense.
$25. We got quite a bit, and we got the fun of actually playing too. So that was pretty cool.
what do you think?
Oh yeah.
Anna is going to do the mirror maze with her friend, and so I am now going to turn over the vlog to Anna, so she's going to finish this vlog out for us. Whoa!
What's happening to me?
Anna, what are we doing?
Pyramid.
A mirror maze? Is this your first time in a mirror maze?
I'm gonna do the mirror maze.
Okay, and you're going with your friend?
All right.
Okay.
Ready? We're going in the mirror maze now. Ooh, it seems so cool.
Can you hold it from the side? From this side.
Different colors. Ooh, are you guys ready? I'm ready.
How's that?
Swipe it.
Yep. Oh, here. Point it at this really fast.
Oh, a mirror. Dead end. Dead end. So, this is a mirror. This is what? I touched it myself. There's no mirror over here. There's no one over here. I think it's over here. Okay, I'm going. Where do we have to go? Wait, you guys, when you see a reflection, don't go in.
Are you real?
I am real. Follow me. Which one's the Lana? A dead end. Dead end. You can see. Dead end. Well, this is a dead end. Come on. I think it's here. What? Whoa. Oh, that's a dead end. Oh, that's a dead end. This is it. Where are you? Where are you? Dead end. Dead end. Okay. Okay. Whoa, there's different colors. Okay, no, dead end. I found it. Wait, no, it didn't. Wait, we could use a little help here. This way on it. Okay. This is the real me right here. No. Dead. Follow this way. Oh, that's me. Oh, this is the real you. Vera. Come on. This way. This way. Let's go. Over here. This is frustrating. No. Do you guys know what way to do, guys? Yeah? The end is right there. Hey, I found the end, Donna. Donna, this way. This way? Good. The end.
There she is.
Can we do it again?
You guys were in there.
I want to go again. Can I go again?
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah, I want to do it again.
Maybe later.
Okay, let me see. It was fun.
Keep going.
And yeah, it was so cool. And we just liked it. It was so cool. It was just so cool. Like and subscribe to our videos. And don't forget, the next video is probably going to be Mario Kart because that's the next game I'm doing.
So stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Welcome.
To Along for the Ride.
Maybe the games are like when you don't win a prize, you just get tickets instead.
Oh, I love
Maybe.
it. Over here.
Well, that's the Rachel one.
She's so used to yelling at me.
Drunk kid.
There's a little bit of a slip there. Oh, Anna, you're there. We go.